Reading there. Okay, greetings everyone. So today I'm gonna start talk about the topic. I mean, the data visualization experiment number one. Uh, Using DDL commands to create a table. So DDL command is nothing but data definition language. So these will be used to create or modify the tables. So this will be used to create, insert data or delete data, update data, and uh, delete data inside the tables. So we're gonna hop into this. So so this is a set of data we have to insert into the table, I mean the database. So so there are a list of queries to do, tasks to do. So which in the first we are gonna start with the first thing. Create user event table, which means we have to insert all these. Uh, Typing this is a bit hard, so I've used this dumpstack notepad node to store these commands. So we're gonna be copying this one down. So which means this create table creates the table. So this creates the table. So the user table and inserts all these user ID, name, email, password, and phone as a variable character in which this user ID is the primary key. So this is the primary key and this thing variable character. So its limit is 25. Everything is 25 and this one is 20. So we're gonna insert this. Yeah. As you see, the table is inserted. So we're gonna do the same for the rest four tables. I mean, sorry, the rest three tables. Okay. As you see, all the four tables are inserted into the database event DB. So we're gonna look into how the table looks. Is it fine or like how we did? So we're gonna we're gonna see this. So as we see, this describe keyword is used to list the table and what each character like type it is and to see what all this is. So as you see, the user table, event table, the venue table, and ticket table are all inserted successfully. Okay, so we're gonna hop into the next task. So the second task is done. So the third task is alter the user table to add a new column age. So which means we're gonna add a new column into the user table. This user table known as age, we're gonna add another column. So we're gonna do this. Mhm. So the keyword alter table means that it modifies the table to add the column age with the type integer. So now we So as you see, the age column is added here. So we're gonna go to the next task, which is the third one is done. So drop a newly added column age. So we so what we're gonna do is we just added the column age into this user thing table. So now we are going to remove this column entirely from this table. So which means this alter table modifies it, and drop means it deletes or removes the column from the user table, which means now the age column is no more present in the table. Okay, so the fourth task is also done. So the fifth thing is we are going to rename the venue table to location. So which means this table, venue table, so this will be renamed as uh, location. So which means this will be its new name will be location table. So we'll rename it. So this rename table means it renames this table. I'm sorry. So it renames this table entirely. It doesn't change any data is present inside this, but it changes only the table's name. So this will change that name into location. So, so as we see, it is this table is now known as location 7127. So we're done with the another task with the fifth task. So the sixth task is good to modify the size of the event tables description column to 1000. Oh, so we're gonna increase the event tables uh, description column, this thing. So it's the basic thing, the basic limit is 5,500. So we are going to increase the limit from 500 to 1000. So let's do this. Okay. So this command basically means that we are going to change the table 7127. So this we are going to modify the column description. So we're going to change the column descriptions limit variable characters limit from 500 to 1000. So so this is the updated thing. So our sixth task is also done. We're gonna hop on to the seventh task. Drop the seat number column from the ticket table. So we're gonna drop this. So from this ticket table, we're gonna drop the seat number column with the variable character 20, limit 20. So